Guys, so I've had my breakfast meal, so that's going to help with my temperature. I've got 2 hand warmers, 1, 2. I'm going to change my gloves over. I'm going to do a slight audio test. I'm not going to do this as a separate video. I might do, I don't know. Who knows? Right, let's put these gloves on and do an audio test. See how far I can walk, but I can't walk backwards, so I will trip up and I will break something. Right, let's get these gloves on. Oh, let's warm these digits up. Alright guys, so audio test, alright? I'm just going to walk and then turn. Right. I've got to think of a story, guys, so hang on. Right, here we go. So what we're going to do is walk over to these rocks. I've turned my back, so obviously the audio is not going to be great, so let's listen to what I'm going to say. I'll be silent until I turn, so I'm just going to walk forward. There we go, I've turned. Hopefully you can hear what I'm saying. I'm going to walk forward again. Then I'm going to turn, see if you could pick up the audio. Turn, hopefully you could pick up the audio, guys. Try to stay in shot. Line of sight, so hopefully you can hear me from here. Let's go a bit further up. Someone's dropped something down there. A plastic lid. Oh well. Right, let's try to climb up a bit higher, see if you can actually hear me. Okay guys, I'm not sure if you can hear me, so not sure how long or how far. It's still in line of sight, and that's my limit. Now I need to climb back down the way I came. I'm going to climb backwards. There you go. Let's talk to you on the way back. So what we're going to do, I'm going to make a coffee, go to Post Bridge, have my poo. In the meantime, I'll drive up to near the tower, and then I've got to look down, guys, so can't just look straight ahead, so I'll end up tripping up. Might upload a few of my raw videos, so there we go. Happy days. A little bit of an audio test there. So let's start the video again.